Hi.
This is one of my favorite projects to do with second grade. Bird bath sculptures. Second grade made 2 pinch pots, then attached them by scoring and slipping. We then sculpted little birds and also attached them with scoring and slipping. After that, students grabbed glass beads and put them inside their sculptures, which melted in the kiln, so it looked like water.
First, we rolled our clay into balls. Poked our hand in the clay and pinched them.
All right, what do you have to do now?
I have to pinch it. We kept pinching until we get 2 pots. Scoring and slipping the clay, and then add wet clay into those lines to get the clay to stick
How did you connect
together.
these two things?
We sculpted
All right, why don't
birds
we go
on
get some
top. We added glass beads to melt to become on water.
That's great. What do you do to connect something?
I need water.
Okay, show me how you do it.
Are we gonna right here? Where the bottom black
Yeah, you need to, yeah.
After we scored and slipped our clay pots, we got our birds and
Okay, how do you
pinched
attach
them
it?
to start making them.
Your bird. All right, now everything has been firing over the weekend. Looks like it's done. Always kind of a nervous place. When you open the kiln, you never really know what you're gonna get. Do we have a big mess? And that looks pretty awesome. Looks like one spilled. I can scrape that off the kiln floor. Looks like it might have had a hole in it, but pretty cool. Looks really good.
After we took it out of the kiln, we painted them. We looked at pictures of birds to see what they looked like. So we tried to create the birds, and then we painted them, and then we tried to make it really artistic.
Nice job. All right, so what kind of birds did you do?
I did a
Hey guys.
cardinal and a blue jay.
Cardinal and a blue jay? Let me see. Not bad, man. Looks really good. Why don't you...
Goodbye.